Yo, I'm 𝐾𝐞𝐬𝐜 over here, and today I've got a very nice SUV for you. Now check it out. Introducing Toyota Harrier. Beautiful white color, nice Toyota sport rims, even got a step up here, and rain visors. Also comes with panoramic roof. Very beautiful. Okay, let's have a look. Nice looking car. Start from the boot as usual. This car features automatic tailgate, plenty of boot space for you to put your things. Now let's close this and have a look at the interior. Alright, look, I think this is very beautiful. You have this maroon leather, very nice, it's padded, and red wood over here, very beautiful. Also look at the seats, they're a mix of leather and cloth, very nice. The cup holders are hidden here. I find it quite cool. See? Of course, rear passenger aircon. And as you can see, there is a lot of room for you to sit. Not bad, eh? Alright. Also, driver seat is fully electric. Very nice. And now let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice looking interior. Somehow it feels a little bit like Lexus even. I mean, look at this leather. It's padded, it's high quality, it's stitched, it is very beautiful. Don't you agree? Alright, so let's continue. We have classic looking speedometer cluster, leather wrapped steering wheel mixed with wood. Very beautiful, very classy. Of course, it comes with cruise control. Also, this has been upgraded with an Android player. That's wired up very nicely. As you can see, the controls, they are working. Here's your aircon controls. Alright. Here we got a couple of cup holders. Your 12-volt plug. Also, another storage bin here. Overall, very nice looking car. And of course, panoramic roof. This shade can be closed and the roof can be opened. Very nice. Alright, let's close it to avoid noise pollution. So, what you guys think? Now about the deal. This car still got 3 years left on a COE. Enough time for you to enjoy it. In terms of Depre, it's only 17.2K. Cheapest unit in the market. So, if you want to take a look at this car, I mean, sorry, I got distracted with a beautiful panoramic roof. I think it looks very nice. So, if you want to take a look at this car, call me. 𝐓𝐿 give you a good deal.